eyes of Bangort.
Huh?
Who is Bangort?
Come out. You are safe with us.
Show yourself! Forgive my wailing, young ones. I didn't mean to scare you. I am just so hungry. Who are you? I am Theodora. I've been hiding from Bangort, a demon witch that lives in the forest. I haven't eaten for ages and feared I would starve.
It's okay. We have food we can share with you.
Yes, let's make camp. You need food and rest.
Thank you, youngsters. I'm fortunate to have found you. After all this time, it's finally mine!
Alert! Alert!
What's happening?
Theodora has the core stone.
My apologies, youngsters. I was just looking for food. What is this beautiful stone for?
Oh, the stone is for activating the hypergate, which will get us home.
We've been looking for days and still haven't found it.
She was going to steal the stone!
Oomba?
I was only admiring it.